Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A54 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. Now we have to localize a proper option, which is the countdown duration. For some reason, this is the timer. So let's simply tap on it. And as you can see in this device, we've got 3 different options. So off, 3 or 10 seconds delay. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. So let me simply tap on it. As you can see, it will appear right here. And now we can go back to the camera. Unfortunately, the timer is not visible anywhere here, so you can be surprised if you forget about that you've set the timer previously and after tapping on the shutter button, but that's okay. So all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so we've got the photo. You just have to give it a time to process it. And of course you can turn off the timer whenever you want to. Just tap on the 3 dots icon here, go to the countdown duration and tap on off. And now your device will take photos almost immediately after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.